In this short video, I'll show you how to make your Instagram account private on both iPhone and Android devices. Are you tired of random people seeing your Instagram posts? Do you want to control who sees your photos and videos? Making your Instagram account private allows you to curate your audience, ensuring that only people you approve can see your content. It's like having a private photo album just for your chosen friends and family. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar Instagram issues, including managing privacy settings. Stay with me until the end to discover how to hide followers and who you follow on Instagram. Now let's get started on how to make Instagram private and take control of your privacy. To start, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner of your profile to open the menu. Under Account Privacy, you'll find the Private Account option. Tap on that. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with the final step. Finally, tap on Switch to Private to confirm your choice. This will change your account from professional to private, meaning only your approved followers will be able to see your posts, stories, and profile information. Remember, business profiles cannot be made private. If you want to make your business account private, you will first have to switch back to a personal account. But what if you simply want to hide your following and followers list on the gram? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to hide your Instagram following and followers list. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.